how the number names are, how the number lines are, how to write the numbers on that, how to write the positive and negative integers and the zero, how to write these all things we studied. Yes, we'll carry with that only. We'll explain you the next content in this class. We'll do all the integers concept. Now, okay, before we start, we'll start with a short prayer. Okay, okay, children. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Okay, we are praying to the Lord for our health, wealth and studies. Okay, okay, children, we'll start with our chapter now. Okay, open your book, page number. We did so all the content in that. We are doing the exercise number 1.1. We did first chapter or first problem also. Yes, now we did first example also. In that example, they mentioned the different cities and different temperature of the cities. Yes, first question we did, and second question we did the first question is what we have to mention the temperature of each city. Yes, and after that second question, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place among the above. We wrote that also. The hottest will be what? Bangalore, and the lowest will be what? Lahaul Spiti. Yes, we did that also. What is the temperature difference between a Lahaul Spiti and the Srinagar? What we have to do now? Lahaul Spiti and the Srinagar. What is the difference? Now count. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 degrees Celsius is the difference between that two cities. What is the difference between that two? The third answer. The difference between the Lahaul Spiti and the Srinagar. The temperature difference between will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 degree Celsius. The difference between that two cities are 6 degree Celsius. Okay, the last question. Can we say temperature of a Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? It is also less than the temperature of Srinagar. What they are asking? They are telling that can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? Srinagar you open your book, page number 4. Okay, I will not draw it once again. In the previous class we drawn everything. Okay, just will revise all the question and answer and we'll move to the next question. Okay, what they are asking here, can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? Shimla, where is the Shimla? Okay, in the negative side. In the positive side, Shimla is there. In the negative side, Srinagar is there. Okay, taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. Is less than the temperature of Shimla. ಹೌದಾ ಶಿಮ್ಲಾಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಐತನ ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀನಗರದ ಎರಡು ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಶಿಮ್ಲಾಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಐತೆನ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಾಕ್ತಾರ ಅವರು. Yes or no? What you have to write? Yes or no? What is the answer? Yes, it is less than the Shimla. Okay, ಅವು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಭಾಳ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅದರದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಭಾಳ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ. So when we add that two, we get a more only. We get what? More. Okay. Okay, we'll do it. We'll draw it once again. You will not understand that. Okay, here they mentioned a number line for the first question, and they mentioned here 10. Okay, 5 difference is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. Yes. Here Bangalore. Here Bangalore is there. And where is the Ooty? Here Ooty. And next we will write this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 10 is go on. Okay, where is the Shimla? Here 5. And where is the Srinagar? Here after 0. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Here is the Srinagar. And where is the Lahaul Spiti? In the 8th place. 8th place. Lahaul Spiti. This is the question, and the last question we are doing. What is the last question? Can we say the temperature of a Srinagar and Shimla taken together? Taken together. First, what we have to do? We will take these two together. Okay, where is the Shimla? It's there on the 5 place. Okay, plus where is the Srinagar? It's there here. So 1, 2, 3 in the minus 3rd place. Okay. Now minus it, how much we get? What is these two? When we add these two, how much we get? We get 2. We get 2 because here we have a minus temperature. Here we have a plus temperature. When we add that 2, we get a 2. Okay. Can we say the temperature of a Srinagar and Shimla taken together is a less than temperature of Shimla? ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಇದರ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ less than Shimla ಕಿಂತ ಐತಿ. Yes, it is a less than Shimla because Shimla is 5, positive 5. But when we add these two, how much we get? Positive 2. So, what is the answer? Yes, Shimla have a more temperature compared to these two. Okay, yes, we have to write. Okay, next. Is it also less than the temperature of at Srinagar? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Yes. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ ನಮಗ -3. But here we have what? Here we have 5. Yes. So it is also less than. Yes. Another fourth answer. Only what you have to write? You have to write yes. Okay. Don't write anything much. Only write answer. Yes. Okay. Next, today's homework. In the previous video, I sent you the homework. Second and third one is the homework sums. You have to do by yourself. Okay, second and third one in a homework book. We'll move on to the fourth sum. Okay, fourth sum. We'll read it. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1,200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Okay, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಅನ್ನತಾರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಹಾರಾಕತೈತಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾರಾಕತ್ತದ? 5,000 feet ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಮೀಟರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಹಾರಾಕತೈತಿ. ಹಂಗನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನ ಸಬ್ಮೆರಿನ ಕೆಳಗ ಎದ್ರೊಳಗ ಸಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದು ಅಡ್ಡಾಡತೈತಿ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲೈತಿ ಸಬ್ಮೆರಿನ ನೀರ್ಕಿಂತ ಕೆಳಗ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಳಗೈತಿ? 1,200 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕೆಳಗೈತಿ. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರ ಆ ಸಬ್ಮರೀನಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ಲೈಟಿಗೆ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. Okay, what we have to do now? We have to just add these two. Submarine distance ಮತ್ತೆ flight ಇಂದ ಎರಡೂನು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get a total distance. We get what? Total distance. We'll solve it. These all are word problems. So what we have to do, children? We have to write the sentences for each problem. We have to write sentence for each problem. Okay, we'll start with that. Fourth sum. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. We'll write with a statement. Solution. Okay. A plane flying at the height above the sea level. What is the height now? Is equals to what is the height? 5,000 meter. Yes, we have to write with a statement. Yeah, because it is a word problem. We can't write only answers. We have to write with each sentence. Then only we can solve. Okay, the plane flying at the height above the sea level is equals to 500 meter. Now, the submarine floating below the sea level is equals to how much it is? How much is equals to how much? 1,200 meter. Now the total. What is the question now? Now find out the total vertical distance between them. Now total vertical distance between plane and submarine is equals to, what is the total now? Tell me. I will draw it and show you. Here is the plane, okay? Here is the plane and here is water, okay? Inside this water, submarine is there. What they are telling? They are telling that this is there above the 5,000 meter, okay? It's there inside how much? 1,200 meter. Yes. Now finally what they are asking, find out the total vertical distance between these two. Vertical distance between these two. Now, okay, this is there 1,200 meter below. This is there 5,000 meter above. Now find out the total vertical distance between these two. Now what we have to do now? We have to add these two. We'll get the total vertical distance. We'll add it now. Okay, now add it. 5,000 plus 1,200. What is the answer now? 5,000 plus 1,200 will be what? 6,200 meter. The vertical distance between the submarine and the plane will be how much? 6,200 meter. So we got the vertical distance, we got this one. How much? 1,200 and 5,000. What is the distance now? 6,200 meter. The vertical distance between the plane and the submarine will be 6,200. Understood now? Yes. Okay. Now we did the one problem. Okay, we have to write like this only. We have to write like this only. We can't write only answers because these all are word problems. These all are the word problems. So with the words we have to write. Okay, we'll move on to the next question now. We'll move on to the next question. Okay, next question. Mohan deposits rupees 2,000 in his bank account and withdraws 1,642 from it. The next day ಅವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೋಹನ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಾಗ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಅದರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋತಾನ? 1,642 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾನ? ಹೊಳ್ಳೆ withdraw ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಹೋಗಿ. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by negative integers, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal. ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂತಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಂದ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇತ್ತದ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2,000 ಇತ್ತು ಅವನ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನಾಗ. ಅವ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಕೊಂಡ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಹೋಗಿ 1,642 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತಕೊಂಡ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇತ್ತು, ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನೌ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ದೇರ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ ನಾವು ಅಮೌಂಟ್, ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ನೌ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೋಹನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವ? ಅವನ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನಾಗ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ? ಅವನ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನಾಗ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಐತಿ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವೀಗ? 1,642 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮೌಂಟ್, ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ನಾಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತಂದ. What they are telling? They are telling minus. Take it as a minus integer, negative integer. So what we have to? We have to write a sentence for this also. Question number 5. In bank, only solution. In bank, Mohan deposited amount is equals to how much he is deposited? Rupees 2,000. Okay. The next day he withdrawn amount is how much he withdrawn? 1642. He withdrawn that much. Okay. Now the balance amount of, now the total, now the total balance amount after withdrawal is, okay. Now they are indicating that here what they are telling, here they are telling that what he is withdrawing now, how much amount he is withdrawing now, that will be in negative, that will be in negative integer. So what we have to do now, we have to minus it. So minus 2000 minus 1642, minus it, how much you will get, how much you will get, 2000 minus 1642, we get rupees 358 rupees. We get 358 rupees. Yes? Yes? He got 3058 rupees. Okay? 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 Now, understood now? We did what? Mohan deposited 2000 rupees and he withdrawn 1642. And they are telling that here trick what they are giving here, they are telling the withdrawal amount will be what? The negative number. Withdrawal amount will be negative. So what we have to do? 2000 minus 1642. We get what? The balance amount 358. One more question. They asked, how will you represent the amount deposited? How will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in the Mohan's account after withdrawal. Okay, understood? Okay, we did these all things. We did all the numbers, all the problem correctly with the statement. But when we get the answer, now this will be always positive. Now we'll minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು no. But here if they are telling take it as a minus integer, negative integer, but the answer will be positive integer. The answer will be what? Positive integers. Yes, what is the amount he is deposited now, that will be positive, but he got the remaining balance, that also will be in a positive integer. Yes, we did two sums with a statement. Okay, the word problems we did two sums with a statement. We'll move on to the sixth question in the next class. We'll do sixth one and we'll do the next all sums in the next period. Okay, please revise it one more time. See all the things we did correctly or no. If you get any confusions, please pick me. Okay. Okay, children, we'll see you in the next class. Bye.